Welcome back. Today's episode is about abstract factory pattern. The abstract factory pattern provide a way to create families of related or dependent objects without specifying their concrete classes. Let's go back to the example last time. We'll start by defining interface, connection handler for handling the connection, query builder for constructing queries, and database factory to create database specific objects. First, let's create concrete classes for MongoDB. Mongo connection implement connection handler. Mongo query builder implement query builder. Now let's do the same for MySQL. Now in your code, you can choose the appropriate factory like MongoDB factory or MySQL factory without worrying about the specific database behind it. So now let's create an application to test our abstract factory. In the application constructor, we just need to define a connect handler and query builder handler. Let's assume that we have a run method to connect to the database, build the query, and then execute it. So now as you can see, it's completely independent from concrete implementation. So that the abstract factory pattern, it is bigger and more complex than a simple factory, but is separate concern by isolating creation logic, increase flexibility and scalability, provide consistency by returning the right set of related objects. See you in the next episode.